Well, you're right, guys. Hope it isn't too washed out in the sun. Blueberry pie. Got my blueberries. Hey, not enough. So what I'm going to do, I'm supplementing them with Tesco blueberries. And if that's not enough, I'm going to put some Prince's Summer Fruits on top as well. So we've got some lemon juice, got cornstarch, corn flour, egg wash for later on, a little pinch of cinnamon, sugar, and ready rolled short crust pastry. Can't think of the word. So I think the best thing to do is get started and mix it all together, innit? Right, I'm winging this one. I'm winging it, making it up as I go along. So we got the blueberries. We're gonna put the blueberries in there. Oh, loads of blueberries. Oh, it's like a train crash. About 100 grams of sugar, and that feels like about 100 grams to me. Yeah, I'll put a bit less in because it's not a full load, if you know what I mean. Corn flour, cornstarch if you're in America. Ooh. Now I don't want to put too much in really, because I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons. Let's see. If it sets, it sets. If it doesn't, we have a runny pie. I'll buy some more of this, alright? Run out. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Don't want too much. Can be quite overpowering, cinnamon. Tablespoon of lemon juice. Tablespoon is 15 ml. And just so happens I got a tablespoon here. So put a bit more in. Give it a bit of sharpness. Right, just mix all that together. Make sure every berry is coated with something. If you haven't got cornstarch or corn flour or nothing, you can just use ordinary plain flour, it works. Well, it works with other fruits, I'm assuming it'll work with blueberries. Okay, set that aside 1 minute. Let's get the pastry ready. The oven's on already. I've got the oven warming up to 220. Start off with 220 for about 20 minutes. And I'm going to turn it down to about 180. Let's get that a bit closer, Steve. Turn it down to 180 for the last final part of the cooking. Right. That's better. So this has been out the fridge for a good 20 minutes. And it should be easy enough to get over the pie dish. Now, if I remember using these before, they aren't quite big enough. So I have to break a bit off to finish off with. So. Yeah, so what I'll do, I'll make it too small that side, and I'll do there. Still cold to the touch, so that's all right. Fold it in gently, get it in the corner. Don't want an air pocket. There we are, and I'll just patch up that little bit there. Lovely. We got quite an overlap because we're going to go trim it in a minute. If it's too short, you push it over. Right. Gone. Okay, in with the mix. It really is this quick, guys. Now, is that going to be enough? Yeah. No. Let's put it on top. Because the blueberries are going to sink down quite a bit, aren't they? There's not much in there, is there? Right. I'll tell you what, since these newer type plastics have been out, I struggle to open packets. I'll try to save some of this in the fridge. There we go. There's no point saving it, let's do it properly. Right, cut it about ½ inch too big all round. That'll do. What I'm going to do now is just sort of lift it together and poke it round the rim. Let me try and do it here, look, like that. Just so it's got a nice thick crust around the edge. Nice and rustic, you know what I mean? It's a good word, rustic. You can use it when things go wrong. So it's like a double fold really. You're folding it in. I'm going to crimp it in a second just to help hold things inside the pie. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to pinch and push, yeah. Pinch and push, pinch and push. Pinch and push, pinch and push. It's so hard to do this with the camera in front of you. Oh, that's it, we're right round now. Okay, egg wash. This is just a tablespoon of milk and 1 egg beaten together. Generous. Just trying not to let it puddle, or she'll end up with, you know, an egg dish. Okay. Right, 4 nice slits on top. And last thing, just a bit of sugar on top. And like I say, in the oven, 220 for about 20 minutes. And then 180 for another 20 odd minutes. and we shall see what we got. Hopefully it don't rain. Well, here we are, guys, fresh out the oven. One blueberry pie with a little bit of summer fruits added. Piping hot, so I'm not going to mess about with it. One of those pies you want to eat cold, or if you want it warm, reheat it. The corn flour needs time to set inside, and it does that when it cools down. And if I have a bit later on, if I have a bit, I will show you the insides. Right then, that has cooled down, so I'm going to grab myself a little piece. Oh, look at that. The thing I haven't got is a pie slicer, actually. There we go. Probably be a right mess. Let's get the scissors out of the way. Oh, we got the crust. Oh, here we go, guys. Look at that. Ooh. My very first ever blueberries. Yeah. Now, normally, you'd have a pie like this with a bit of ice cream, wouldn't you? Little drop of evaporated milk. That is good. And just the right amount of sugar in there as well. Tart blueberries, sweet sugar. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Getting on with a bit more cooking these days, and I'll tell you what, if it tastes like this, I'll be doing a lot more of it. Look after yourselves, stay safe, and I'll catch you next time, all right?